Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I wanted to show you a picnic basket from Andy's shop. And I think it came out so super cute. So hold on. Okay, so this die set has a lot of pieces. And it just comes with so many layering, so many pieces. It's a lot. And what I did is I put it in these cute little kind of envelopes from Amazon. But I'm just gonna put that on the side. But this is the basket right here. And I think it came out so super cute. This is what it looks like. And you see how I layered the inside and the outside. You got layers. You got layers for everything. You even have layers for the inside. I just didn't decorate the inside because I figured the inside you're gonna put stuff anyway. And then the top, I just added a whole bunch of little flowers, that little tag that says especially for you. I added that little bow right on top and some pearls, little butterfly, and I just think it looks so freaking cute. Then in the bottom, because these are two baskets stuck together, you have the line right here of where the baskets are united. I didn't want that, so it could be, I guess, like a cleaner look. I just put a piece of cardstock to cover it and then added those feet. And even though you're not going to see the bottom, I just thought it was going to look cuter. So this is the front and it opens like this. Clearly it will open even more if I wouldn't have put so many flowers, but I'll show you in the next side because I didn't decorate it. This side here, you see it opens all the way completely. This one here, I added this little divider, and this was totally Tony's idea. When she mentioned it in her video, I was like, oh my God, that's a good idea. You can actually divide this a few times, but I only did 2. So I could put goodies on this side, goodies on that side, and you see how the flap opens all the way. And then I added a little baby Velcro dot, you see? And on this one here, I didn't add a divider, so the whole thing is open. Only because I added so many flowers on the top that I'm like, let me just leave this one open completely. But I also added a Velcro dot. And at first, when I saw the dies, I was like, oh my God, there's so many dies. I was a little intimidated, and I was like, I don't even know where to start. But you know what? After you do the base, once you do the base and your basket is done, everything else you know is layering. And it's up to you if you want to add so many layers. So it was actually really easy to create this box. And I just love it. I love this box. It's actually a nice size. I don't know why I'm saying actually so much today. It's a 5.5 by 5.5. And then the size of the basket itself inside, it's about 2 3/4. So it's a really good size, and 6 inches this way. And that's it. I love this basket. I love it. But yeah, I will put the link to in the description bar for this die. And it's super cute. Definitely, it's one for your stash. And this is one that Nicole had designed. So she also has it in a digital file if you want to get it that way also. Okay, so I hope you guys like it, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.